Hey guys, Dr. Hetland here at RH. Just wanted to send a quick announcement video that we're doing 4 classes in August, workshops, to help patients and their loved ones to learn how to better self-care at home and learn how to get better results faster. So if you're a current patient, a past patient, feel free to come to any of these workshops. They're free. They're on Monday nights in August. And we've got some dates here for some of them. I wanted to announce the first one coming up is August 2nd at 6 p.m. here at the clinic. Emily is going to be teaching a class on stretching and strengthening, kind of a mixture of Pilates, yoga, physical therapy type of movements, 30 to 45 minutes max, and I think you'll find great value out of that class. So that's coming up August 2nd here, next week Monday. We already have a handful of people signed up, and we just announced it today. So there is a certain amount of limited room for these, so if you're interested, feel free to message us, call us, reach out, let us know you're committed and want to come and participate in that one. So that's our first one. The second one, I'm going to be teaching on August 9th around 5:30, 5:45 p.m. and that one's going to be on standard process type of nutrition, supplementation, what specific ones are good for what, things like turmeric, boswellia, ligoplex, how they differentiate between drugs like ibuprofen, Advil, Excedrin for inflammation control, and just really how to utilize nutrition for better results faster and long-term health. The third one is on August 16th, I believe around the same time, somewhere between 5:30 and 6 o'clock on Monday night. And Dr. John's going to be teaching a class on self-care for your muscles, things like trigger point therapy. So a great class to bring your spouse or someone who might do muscle work on you, you do muscle work on them, so we can teach them how to use these things. The hand tools like those massage guns that you see so popular now, we use the Hypervolt in clinic. We'll teach you how to use that properly, give you some tips on that. Dr. John's going to be teaching that class. Again, these are 30 to 45 minute classes, great for you and loved ones to come to. The last class, don't have a date set, but it'll be one of the last Mondays of the month of August on essential oils. And my close friend and colleague is going to be coming into town teaching about essential oils, how to use them in your home, and how to get the best value out of oils in your home. So hope these workshops are something that you can attend and participate in, and I hope to see you there. So just give our office a call, reach out, let us know you're interested in these classes, and invite friends to come to these. They're supposed to be really valuable for you and doing self-care at home. Have a great day.